Hello everybody, it's Mark from Adjoining. Thank you for joining me today at Adjoining Leisure Kingdom here in Hilton. It's a windy afternoon and I've got a Swift Eccles from 2018 and it's a 580. So it's a 4-berth caravan with a transverse island bed and bathroom, and we shall start here. So we've got the Alde hitch. Big storage locker where you can house 2 gas bottles if you want to, but can connect 1. It's got the Alde wet central heating. I know that because the boiler vents are so, and so make sure this time of year that is nice and clean and clear of all sort of leaves and debris. You don't want to block that flow up. Just here you've got a water point, locker in there for where you can put the leisure battery, and there's a little hole here where your power cable can go with your electric hookup, so that will fit inside there as well. Fridge vents, and then you've got a motor mover which is just in front of the wheel itself. Alloy wheels, and then a little bit close to the back being an end bathroom, shower room, toilet cassette is in there, and that is your flush filler. Round at the back you've got these support handles if you need to move it manually, and you can add a fuel or 2-lay bike rack to the rear of the caravan if you want to. If you are going to put a bike rack on the back of the caravan, just check the capacity of the rear wall because you don't want to overload that. Storage cassette locker, that takes you underneath the bed, so the bed goes sideways on across the van, but we'll show you that on the inside. Habitation door with blackout blind, and then you've got a flying screen on there as well. And then a little bit further forward you've got a barbecue point just there, so you can plug a gas barbecue in, and an external power socket if you're putting an awning on the side of the caravan. So in we go, straight into the kitchen area and the living room at the front. So you've got that nice lounge at the front which can turn into a double bed as well. So it is a 4-berth van. All of the windows have blackout blinds with fly nets on, and the nice curtains, so you can make the front of the van nice and private as well. You've got a couple of 240 power sockets at the front. They will only work when you plugged into your electric hookup, so without that it's only 12 volt. Speakers at the front over the sofas as well, and then obviously next to that nice big skylight. So you've got plenty of light and air and space in the front of the caravan itself. Worktop extension to the side of the kitchen, and then you've got the nice 3-way fridge freezer here. We'll run on an automatic setting, so it will look for the strongest power source to be able to run, but that will run off 12 volt 240 and gas. Microwave, storage lockers in the kitchen as well, so you've got all this carrying space, and then at the back there's a control panel for the 150 watt solar panel which is on the roof. So when you've got, it's working nicely, yeah, so when you put a leisure battery on it, the solar panel will just keep that battery maintained. You've got 3-ring gas hob as well, electric hot plate, separate grill, separate oven, storage lockers here, and then you've got a nice freestanding area if you want to add a television so you can watch that in the front. Above the habitation door you've got the control panel for the heating and hot water, and then you've got your control panel for the 12 volt system, turning your lights on and off, water pump on and off. And then we've got separation blind here which goes right the way across, so you can make the bedroom at the rear of the van nice and private. His and hers wardrobes, and then you've got the storage lockers over the top as well. And then you've also got underneath the bed a little bit of extra storage, yeah, so you've got all that space there. And you can have another TV on this just here because you've got TV socket here as well, a little cupboard, and then you've got a couple of light switches and the vanity cupboard there as well. With the heating system, so Alde is a wet central heating system that runs all the way around the van. So you've got like these radiators here, so they also go behind the sofas, behind the bed, and into the bathroom as well. So the heat travels nicely around the van and it just keeps it nice and warm a little bit longer. A little bit like at home with your radiators, if you turn the boiler off at home, hot water stays in the radiators and keeps the house nice and warm. You've got hanging rails in these as well, and the space for the cushions for when you turn the front end into a bed. In the back, just here, open the slide door, and then you've got the shower cubicle just behind me at the back, and then you've got the vanity locker, the toilet, and then obviously you've got that sink and big mirror to the back of the van as well, so there's plenty of space in there for using it as a bathroom or changing room. A nice thing that happens as well, with the bed, this cushion will fall back down into the gap, and you can extend the bed just by pulling it out, giving you a bit more of a larger bed. So at night time you've got a little bit more sleeping space, and then you can put it back in the daytime so you can get round and get into the toilet, and there's a bit more of a bigger walkway there as well. So it's a 4-berth from 2018, and carrying weights, let's have a look. So empty as the caravan stands at the minute, it's 1,366 kilograms. The fully loading capacity is 1,522. So the difference between those two numbers is the weight you can carry inside the caravan when you're travelling. It's on site, it's available to view, and if you'd like any information regarding your current vehicle and its ability to tow a caravan like this or similar, give us a call if you'd like to arrange a viewing. And my name's Mark. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and it's a lovely caravan. I'll speak to you soon. Thank you very much.